Alright guys, nandito tayo sa standout player of the game, IC Delta, Team IC Delta Dasar versus Dance Bowlers. So we have Jazz Huyawan, one of the best player of the game, and DJ, So congratulations, guys. So yeah. So anong masasabi mo as yung performance mo today sa game ninyo?
I want to thank God for this game, for today's game. And
Teammates, I think the
chemistry. Yeah.
But yeah. So thank you again. First of all, thank you sa nagsusupport sa Drive and Dish Basketball and kay Commissioner. And sa team, for sure, lahat nag-contribute this game. And we're still working on our chemistry, but Jazz is the top player of the game today.
Yeah, so kanina Jazz, nakita ko yung steal mo and then a 2-point conversion tapos nag-flex ka pa. So sabihin mo nga sa amin kung anong nangyari doon?
Very inspired ako today kasi nandito yung family ko. And then it's our and it's our wedding anniversary today with my wife. So yeah, thank God bumalik ulit ako sa laro.
Alright. Yeah, I know nawala ka ng mga ilang games and buti na lang sinabi sa amin ni DJ na family first. So that's good. Yeah, so may mga messages ba kayo o shoutouts? Yeah, so unahin natin si DJ.
So shoutout sa lahat na nanonood ng Drive and Dish Basketball and sa family ko, kay Maan and si Jetro, and sa lahat ng support and sa team, especially sa whole team, lahat sila nandito. Thank you.
Yeah, keep supporting Drive and Dish Basketball.
Alright guys, thank you.